My name is Beres Hammond, you know. Just finished a little performance on the Jimmy Fallon show.
One love, one life, give thanks, I'm living.
That is reggae superstar Beres Hammond sitting in with the roof tonight.
And it was lovely. I really did enjoy that new experience.
We are very honored to have with us today Mr. Beres Hammond.
If you're Jamaican and if you're a fan of reggae music, you're familiar with his voice and familiar with his name. Great songs. His voice pretty much is the backdrop for a lot of moments that's happened in my life.
It's truly an honor for me, being from the country of Jamaica, from Kingston, Jamaica, Barbican Road to be exact, to have Mr. Beres Hammond upon a special stage as Late Night with Jimmy Fallon for the world to see, for late night to see. It's truly an honor, truly an amazing opportunity to have him here and to be a part of such a special occasion.
We've played with many different artists, Sting, Bruce Springsteen, Paul Simon, and for Beres to come here today, he's like our Bruce Springsteen for the Jamaicans in the crew, you know. We're looking forward to this day for a long time.
It's really cool that we get a chance to play a lot of these songs today on the show. I'm really excited. The rest of the guys are really excited. It's going to be a great time, Bridget. It's going to be a great time.
I'll bear the pain, but I still believe in love. Oh yeah.
This might have been the first in about 15 years that I've worked outside of my personal band. And they're wonderful. Easy to get along with, easy to learn a song, and you know, they're really a fine set of musicians, man. I say thumbs up to them every time.
It's good for us, good for Beres, good for the whole reggae community when we do something like this.
This is Beres Hammond and you're watching LargeUp.com. You hear that?